I really never thought I'll get to say this. Locally built, made in India, AMG. Yes, it's the very first one, and this is the GLC43 Coupe. It is the very first one. It's not the first time we've had the GLC43 Coupe though, here in India. So this is the facelifted version of the car. Remember, we had it earlier, and at the time it was a completely built unit. It did not have a BS6 engine, and of course it was still powerful and fun to drive. But this is the updated car. It gets more technology. It has the updated engine, of course, and like I said, is now assembled at the Mercedes-Benz India plant in Sakharn outside of Pune. So yes, for what it's worth, you can go a little bit off-road with that car since it's a four-wheel drive, but that's not the purpose of an AMG model. Now remember, that previous car I was talking about that was a direct import was priced just under 80 lakh rupees, thereabouts. And with all of the changes, the updated engine and also the facelift, if it was still an import, I'm guessing the price would have gone closer to 1 crore. So let's see what we end up with in terms of the local tax incentives that you now will have on this car since it is locally built. The part you want to know besides prices is how it performs. So these are things we'll tell you after the launch. But right now, let me quickly tell you about the engine. So by the way, this V6, you just saw its figures, also assembled now here in India. So that's another nice little change. And as you take a look at how nice it looks because of the way it's been put together, let me also give you a little bit of a teaser. Not only does it sound good, 0 to 100, 4.9 seconds. So that is pretty fast. Something I can't wait to experience. And yes, this car is going to be the first of hopefully many AMGs that do get made here locally in India. So there is a lot to look forward to. And Mercedes-Benz has been on quite the overdrive, bringing lots of new models our way. And so there's still plenty more action expected, even with the smaller and bigger AMGs as well. So all the usual trappings that you expect in a Mercedes cabin, well, of course you get that at its absolute premium level over here. It is an AMG, so it's got everything you can think of. The ambient lighting, the nice dull polished metal look, as well as some of the beautiful grain on the wood inserts. All the technology, the connectivity, there's even a wireless charger, there's a sunroof. Yes, it's got pretty much everything you can think of. The red stitching and the red seat belts are a nice AMG touch.